Hello, folks. Today, you are going to take your first personality test. This is a fantastic resource that I took myself 3 different times. I've gotten the same things except for one part, which I'll explain about in 1 second. You're going to click on the link that's on the class page, and then you'll notice you'll be brought to this page. You will answer these questions, keeping in mind that if you do this agree, it means you really, 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 really agree. This means you somewhat agree. And this one is, okay, I agree, but kinda. This, you don't know whether you agree or disagree. Use this sparingly because it will uh, give you less of an accurate result if you don't make a decision on whether you agree or disagree. And then for disagreeing, this is kind of disagree, I somewhat disagree, and this is I really disagree. Okay? So that's how you're going to answer these questions. When you finish, I've already taken this test, and I am an ENFP. And what this is dealing with is it'll give you a title, which I am the campaigner, and it gives a description of your personality, saying I'm a true free spirit, life of the party. I know you guys are laughing at that thought. But anyway, right here it shows your results. Extroverted versus introverted. Notice that little thing that popped up there. E and I. This test is going to determine whether you gather your energy when you're feeling tired, or not necessarily just tired, when you're in life, when you need to feel a part of the world. Uh, do you go out and be social and hang with your friends? And is it a large group of friends? Or do you prefer to go home and maybe have a few select friends and maybe read a book by yourself or watch a movie? That's introverted. So I've kind of gone from a more introverted to a less introverted, now extroverted, 58%. 50% would be the mid mark between the two. Intuitive versus it's sensing, S, and this is observant. Intuitive means you make decisions how your gut. Like your gut is telling you you need to do this or that, and you follow your gut, as opposed to what you see and what you believe. TNF, thinking and feeling. You make decisions based on your thoughts or your feeling. Judging and perceiving, or as this says, prospecting. You make judgments on people that you first meet. You kind of judge things based on your experiences in life, or what you see is what you believe. So anyway, you're going to do that. You're going to get your result, which I was ENFP. This will give you a slight introduction. This will tell you your strengths and weaknesses. So I'm curious, observant, energetic, things like that. What you are in your romantic relationship, not really appropriate now. Friendships, what you'll be like as a parent. Your career paths is very important, and your workplace habits. So this will be a nice judge for what jobs fit your personality. There is also another site that might be helpful for that as well. If you go to the ENFP here and highlight, right-click, search, and put in career, it's going to pop up with the Truity site, truity.com. I think this is a better site for the careers because it gives you a nice, wonderful description of each of those jobs that you can click on to learn more about. So, of course, teacher was in here for me, wouldn't you know it? All right, so go take that test, and I want you to put those results in the comment area. If you can submit on Google what your results were on that test. Okay? Good luck.